Welcome to course registration for the 2018-2019 academic year. To begin the process, log on to onCampus using your own student credentials. Navigate to the Course Requests button, and you will see that your core courses have already been loaded in. If there's a little lock next to the course, you can't change that. If you'd like to make a change to any of these recommended placement options, then you must speak with your advisor and fill out a course change form. I will need you to choose at least 3 electives, which you can find by opening the elective courses list to the left. To add a course to your list, simply hit request. If you would like to change the order of preference for your electives, you can do so by dragging and dropping them into your preferred order. If there is a recommended course that you do not want to take, just exit out. After you have gone over your course placement recommendations and entered in all of your electives, please make sure to have your parents take a look at this as well. And if you have any questions or concerns, let your advisor know, or you can always write me an email. Mrs. Baker, the registrar, can be reached at sbaker@northcross.org. Thank you very much and happy registering.